Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another new episode of HyperOS 3 theme customization. And today we are going to customize our Xiaomi device using 4 brand new HyperOS 3 based themes. So if you want to experience something new compared to your current theme setup, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Friends, if we talk about today's customized theme, then let's start with the lock screen. Here the lock screen appears in this layout where we get to see the iOS style liquid glass clock widget at the top. Whereas if we swipe right on the screen, here we get some widgets which provides useful information. Now let's move towards the home screen. Here we get to see the home screen in this layout, where we get a big HyperOS style clock widget at the top which perfectly matches our home screen setup. Talking about the icons, here the icons use a clean minimalist style which also perfectly matches our home screen setup, but sadly we don't get any animation on them. Next, let's talk about the control center. Here the control center appears in an iOS layout where the toggles appear with a liquid glass effect. But here the main thing that beautifies this control center is its toggle icons and colors, which not only look good but also enhance the overall control center look. In addition to that, the status bar also appears in an iOS style, whereas the volume control layout appears in a blue plus yellow color tone with stock animation. Last but not least, if we talk about the settings menu, here also we get an iOS style layout with matching theme icons. So these were the features of this theme. Now the funda is which themes are these and how to customize them. First, go to the pin comment, download the backup file and restore it using the backup and restore method. After that, open your theme store. Go to customize theme. Then apply the theme OV dark. Then go back and apply the same theme as a system and your control center will be applied. Next, select the theme place CJ and apply it as an icon. Then you will get these icons. Third, select the theme all stars and apply it as a home screen. Then you will get the home screen clock widget. Fourth and last, select the theme Poo Magic and apply it as a lock screen. Then go to lock screen settings. Then first tap on wallpaper source option and select it to customize. Then tap on custom wallpaper and select the lock screen wallpaper. Then your lock screen will be customized. By the way, you will get the wallpapers on our Telegram channel. So this is today's HyperOS 3 theme customization for your Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco devices. I hope you liked this customized theme. If yes, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more such amazing customizations in the future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.